Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be painting this oval wreath. I'm going to start in by putting down the foundation of my wreath using a very watered down paint. I do this so that I can see where I'm going to place my flowers and leaves without seeing pencil lines later on. Once I have the oval down, I'm going to start in on my focal flowers. I'm putting down the initial first layer and then dotting in some paint in the centers of my roses before the paint dries. Next, I'm going to start in with my first layer of leaves. This wreath has lots of layers, so I'm just going around the oval making sure my leaves are all facing the same way, and right now I'm just laying the groundwork for the rest of my wreath. And here at the end, I've just made the last couple of leaves face the other direction just so it looks a little bit more natural with the roses. Now I'm going around adding a new layer. I tried to stay consistent with the same color paint and leaf style throughout, like with this first layer, they were large, darker green leaves, and then next I'm doing these olive green sprigs, and then next I'm going to be adding a dark grayish black sprig. There's not really a right or wrong way to go about adding in the extra layers. I'm just paying attention to where there are gaps in the wreath and where I think it could use a little extra something. For this next layer, I'm adding in these dark red berries. I'm not too worried about painting over these last couple of leaves just because the paint has dried, and so my paint isn't going to blend with the green. And when I'm adding in these stems and leaves, I'm just trying to be really careful not to touch the berries, just because I don't want the colors to blend into each other. Next, I'm going right over the top of my wreath, adding in a few of these blue leaves. I'm going to finish off the wreath by darkening the centers of my roses and then blend that into the rest of my rose with water. And after I add a couple more leaves, I'm going to be done. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you follow this tutorial and post a picture on Instagram, please tag me at Snowberry Design Co. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button. I post a new calligraphy video every Monday and a new watercolor video every Wednesday. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave a comment down below. I love questions and I love requests for future videos, so send them my way. I also wanted to let you guys know about my online beginner watercolor floral course that will be released in April of 2018. I've been working really hard on this course and I'm really excited for you guys to check it out. I have a waitlist for the course that you can join so that you won't miss anything. I'll leave a link for that down in the description box below, as well as all of the supplies I'm using in this video. Thanks again for watching. Bye!